In this video, I'm going to do a light repair in one of my neighbor's GENIE GX6000 screwdriver garage opener. So he called me over here that he has an issue with the lights not working, so I came over to do a light repair on his GENIE screwdriver garage opener. And we can see we have a broken light bulb in the garage opener, so I'm going to show you on how to get it out. Broken light bulb that came from an incandescent bulb that the customer tried to replace the light bulb on this, and one bulb broke, so they had an issue trying to get it out. So I had my nose pliers to remove this bulb. Always safety first, have your garage opener unplugged before you change the light bulb so you don't get electrocuted. So we're going to use this nose pliers to pull out this broken light bulb. Just twist it until it comes out. And there it is, broken base came out. So we're going to put in some fresh new light bulbs. These are LEDs. And with this GENIE opener, it doesn't matter what type of bulb you have, but these are LED bulbs. They're energy efficient and will last long. No issues with it with this garage opener. We have the light bulb screwed in. So now let's plug in the garage opener to the outlet. We're going to plug in the garage opener. And let's test the light bulbs on this. You can see the light works. We're going to put the lens cover back on this GENIE garage opener, and we're all done. We're going to pop on this lens cover that came with the GENIE garage opener. Just make sure the antenna is pointing straight down. And you'll find those two tabs on the bottom of the opener. Make sure you get those two tabs in. Pop in two Phillips screws that holds the lens cover. And do the other side of the lens cover. Make sure they're secured so it doesn't make any vibration to the opener. See, the light is fixed on this GENIE screwdriver garage opener, and that's how you remove a broken bulb on a light socket, which can save you from having to replace the garage opener or replace the socket. If you find a metal base that's part of the fixture that broke, it's easy to pull out with nose pliers if you have one of those nearby that you can pull out. And that's typically an easy removal on a broken bulb on a garage opener. Thank you for watching this video. If this video was helpful, if it did, hit the like button. I really appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button or notification bell so you'll be notified too, so you'll never miss a video that we upload on this repair channel. And have a great day. Stay safe. Bye.